Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel General Knowledge Hindi English. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेके आया हूँ इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की 50 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। ये आप लोगों के लिए सिविल एग्जाम्स और अदर एग्जाम्स के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा। शुरू करते हैं मॉडल एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज द प्रेसाइडिंग ऑफिसर ऑफ द राज्य सभा? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। Question number 2, who chair the joint session of the two houses of parliament? Right answer is option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 3, a bill is a money bill or not will be decided by? Right answer option is B, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 4, who has got the power to create all India services? Right answer is option C, Parliament. Question number 5, who appoints Secretary General of the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option A, Speaker. Question number 6, postal voting is otherwise called? Right answer is option B, proxy voting. Question number 7, which one of the following is not a constitutional body? Right answer is option D, Planning Commission. Question number 8, who administered the oath of office to the President? Right answer is option A, Chief Justice of India. Question number 7, a member of UPSC can be removed by? Right answer is option B, the President of India. Question number 10, the annual report of the UPSC is submitted to? Right answer option is option A, President of India. Question number 11, in a federal government, the state enjoys? Right answer is option B, power given by the Constitution. Question number 12, Sikkim is granted statehood in the year? Right answer is option B, 1975. Question number 13, a federal government is shape of? Right answer is option C, agreement between the center and the state. Question number 14, the main feature of federal state is? Right answer is option A, decentralization. Question number 15. The state reorganization in the 1956 create. Right answer is option B, 14 states and 6 union territories. Question number 16. Which was the first linguistic state to be created? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 17. Who is authorized to transfer the judge of the one high court to another high court? Right answer is option C, the President of India. Question number 18. The main function of the judiciary is. Right answer is option D, law adjudication. Question number 19. Judges of the Supreme Court and High Court can be removed by. Right answer is option B, the President of India. Question number 20. The Supreme Court of India enjoys. Right answer is option A, original, affiliated and advisory jurisdictions. Question number 21. The judges of the Supreme Court retire at the age of. Right answer is option C, 65 years. Question number 22. The first woman judge to appointed to Supreme Court was. Right answer option is option B, Fatima Bibi. Question number 23. Which is the highest law of the land? Right answer is option D, Indian Constitution. Question number 24. Equality before law in India is derived from. Right answer is option A, Constitution. Question number 25. Who interpret the Constitution? Right answer is option C, Judiciary. Question number 26. A law made by the judiciary is known as. Right answer is option B, case law. Question number 27. The Supreme Court of India was set up. Right answer is option B, by the Constitution. Question number 28. Supreme Court is the guardian for. Right answer is option A, fundamental rights. Question number 29. District judge is under the control of. Right answer is option D, High Court. Question number 30. The Indian judiciary is headed by. Right answer is option B, Supreme Court. Question number 31. What is ordinary law? Right answer is option C, laws made by and enforced by government. Question number 32. Who is the first law officer of the country? Right answer is option D, Attorney General. Question number 33. The first state in India to implement the Panchayati Raj system was. Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. Question number 34. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee was associated with. Right answer is option D, Panchayati Raj. Question number 35. Panchayati Raj system is based on the principle of. Right answer is option B, decentralization. Question number 36. Which is an example of the direct democracy in India? Right answer is option B, Gram Panchayat. Question number 37. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was for the first time amended by D. Right answer is option A, 42nd Amendment. Question number 38. Who was the first woman governor of a state in India? Right answer is option B, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 39. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option A, S. J. Kania. Question number 40. How many types of emergency have been visualized in the Constitution of India? Right answer is option B, 3. Question number 41. Who is the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? Right answer is option D, Meera Kumar. Question number 42. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? Right answer is option A, G.V. Mavlankar. Question number 43. A financial emergency can be declared by applying. Right answer is option D, Article 360. Question number 44. How many languages are contained in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option B, 22. Question number 45. What is the playing time of the full version of National Anthem? Right answer is option C, 52 seconds. Question number 46. How many schedules does in the Constitution of Indian contain? Right answer is option C, 12. Question number 47. Which of the following set of the article deals with emergency provisions? Right answer is option B, Articles 352, 356 and 360. Question number 48. Article 1 of the Constitution declares India as. Right answer is option C, Union of States. Question number 49. The President of India is. Right answer is option C, the head of the state. Question number 50. Right to constitutional remedies comes under. Right answer is option B, fundamental rights. धन्यवाद. Thank you.